Hello friends, today I come up with new video for you. Let's see.
As you can see, this is a VMC vertical milling CNC machine of Haas company. Haas is an American company. As you see, 9 is written. This is the its model number VF9 and it is of 20 horsepower, and these are the cutting tools which are indexable cutting tools. Now I am going to open this closed door. I am opening it and you will see this is the bed of CNC machine where this is a semi-finished job is clamped with the help of washer, nuts and studs. This is a cutting tool, and you can see this is a tool magazine, or we can say turret, where 24 tools are kept, and this is a bed of CNC.
Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to press like, share, subscribe and bell icon given below so that you can get notification when I upload new videos.
Now today we learn how to switch on CNC control panel. You are seeing this control panel. There is many buttons. We have to see above. There is two red and green button. We have to press this green button, which is of power on, and after the pressing this green power on button, we will get a first screen where Haas automation is written and its processor and model number is displaying on this screen. You can see. Now we will get a alarm blinking at the bottom of the screen. To exit it, we have to press this emergency red button in anti-clockwise and pull out firmly. Now we will see we have to press this orange button, reset button, 2-3 times to exit this alarm. Now we will get this screen and we have to move towards further like this. Then we press strength graph button. As I am This is a strength graph button. As I am pushing it, now you will get a screen where there are many menus. Now we have to operate this down button, right button,
Pressing
up
this,
button,
we have
left
to
side
come
cursor
down
button. Now with
like
the
this.
help of this cursor
You see
button, we will come down
how I am
to select the
coming
menus.
down
As I
by
am
pressing it,
coming down,
and then we have to
now
press
we
this
select this right cursor button
and keep
to
it
change
on. Now we have to
on off, and then we have to press
press
this
this
right
button
and enter button
so that
so that we can
it will be
overwrite the previous menu.
it will be
Now you
this.
see we
Now we
select
have
the
to
down.
uh, now we have to
This is
come
a down button.
down, and we have
We will come down.
to come this
We
and
get
this,
another screen
press this button,
where many menus
and we have
come
to
in. Now we will
right
choose
press this
their option and
button,
press this right and enter button.
come
You
down
can see how I press the
like
arrow
this.
button, down arrow button from the control panel, and
You see
if we have
how
to
I am
change this option, then we have to press right
coming
arrow
down
button
by
from
pressing
the
it,
control panel.
and then
There
we
is
have
off, you can see. Now we
press
have to change
this
it, we have to turn it on by
and
pushing the
keep
right
it
arrow button from the
on.
control panel.
Now we have to
Then we have to press
press this
right
button
and enter button
so
so that
that
it will not overwrite
it will be
automatically. Then we have to change by self. Then
it
we have to
will be
press this right button,
this.
right arrow button.
Now we have to uh,
This is the option 53.
now we
Use
have
button
to
job
come
work output
down,
return 0 return.
and
Then
we
we
have
will see 51 option. We have to come to
to
51
come
option.
this
Door hold override. There
and
is a
this.
off. we have to turn it on.
We have to uh, come to
Press C
now we have to
by this button to right and
come to this
right
edit
button.
button,
Now we have to
and now we have to
press this blue button which is written
power off
as
the machine by you
power
pressing this
up
button.
and restart button. We have to push it one time
This
so that
machine.
machine.
Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to press like, share, subscribe and bell icon given below so that you can get notification when